show you something super cool I just got. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so I can set up the Starlink in my RV a lot easier. But anyway, this is a mounting bracket for this Starlink router. And so I believe it goes right up against the wall like that. There's 4 screws to screw it into the wall, and then you just set the Starlink in it just like that, and I betcha you can set the power block. Well, that's what I want to do. So I gotta figure out. That's exactly right. Oh, that is super cool. So you mount that to the wall. That's gonna hold the power brick, and this is going to hold the router in it right up front. I'm excited about this. I'm going to mount it in one of the lower cabinets in my RV, and then I want to make sure that if I'm driving, this doesn't wiggle around. But this itself seems pretty secure, so maybe I'll just put a little bit of double stick tape on it somewhere to hold it in place. But that's going to make this transporting and or putting it in and out of my house and in and out of my RV a lot easier. So this is for the Gen 3 Starlink, the newest one that's come out. They call it a kickstand. But I'm excited about it. It looks like a nice quality product, and you can see how this stuff fits right into it. I could probably wrap the cables around it as well. Alright, so you can see here in the panel underneath my RV, kind of my utility room. I mounted this right up on the wall. I wrapped the Starlink cord from the power supply to the router, and then I ran the cord over the top to a plug on the other side, and I'm super excited about it. This is going to be awesome.